Today, let's talk about building your empire, and this is a step-by-step guide for creating a personal brand. You might wonder why some people they seem to effortlessly attract opportunity while others struggle. Well, they've mastered the art of the personal brand, turning their unique skills and passions into a magnet for success. So today, you'll be learning step by step how to build your own empire, attracting the recognition and rewards you deserve. And at the end, I'm going to give you a free gift. And if you watch until the end, you'll be able to get access to this special framework that I personally use to generate passive income online. Who am I? My name is Charles Draven from Silicon Valley, and I've been building online businesses for over a decade. And I got started online running a traditional business. I was a financial consultant, and then I just realized that things just weren't working the way I wanted it to be. And I had a child, got a house, got married before that time. All that stuff just happened at once. And I realized that I just didn't have the work-life balance that I wanted. So I wanted more control over my time. And after many failed attempts, I found a simple business model that works. And now I'm here to help you do the same. So today we'll go over these 7 steps to building a powerful personal brand. And the first thing here is that you got to identify your passions, strengths, and your unique insights. Thing is that everyone can build their own business, and some people will just go out there and build it around a product or a niche. So the whole idea here is how you can provide your unique insights and become the niche for people to come to you because you have something unique to offer. So one way to figure out what is special about you is just to ask your peers. Ask your peers for feedback to validate your direction. If that is not something that you want to do, or maybe your peers aren't the type of people to give you valuable feedback, unfortunately, then the whole thing is just to look inside yourself. Look in yourself and figure out what is something that you can provide a value. How do you think differently than others? And I know that just talking to my friends that some people might think that they might not feel like they're unique, but I totally believe through everyone's unique journey in life that you have unique experiences that define you that you can share online. And if you feel like this is all new to you, I believe that over time you'll be able to build up that internal strength, that confidence. And as you progress, you'll be able to identify those. So I'm just saying this right now because getting started is probably like the biggest hurdle. And as you keep on going, you'll realize that you can build up your confidence, your abilities over time. So if you feel that you do not have anything unique to offer, just think about what do you feel strongly about. So that comes with your passions. And if you're not the type of person that feels you are extremely passionate about something, think about what you are interested in. Think about your interest and how you can build a business around that. And with that, you have to think about who is your target audience? Who is that ideal audience for you? For me, I'm here in the make money online niche and helping people build businesses, especially earn passive income through multiple income streams. And with that, there are a wide variety of audiences. There are people that just are entrepreneurial, they want to build a business. Some people, they don't want to work for their boss. Maybe they want to be their own boss. Maybe that they want to have a better work-life balance, not work in their job anymore. Some others aren't like that. Some others might feel like they've had a good life, they've had a good job, or maybe that they're in a stage in retirement, later phase, and they want to have some stable income. And some, they want to retire early. They want to retire early, have a lot of money, be able to do the things that they want to do, even if it's not just about themselves. Like, let's say, even have enough money to give to charity, have enough money to help out their family, and other things. Of course, like with luxury, being able to travel around the world and do things on their own terms. So, with all that, all those different examples I mentioned that because those are different audiences. And if you're able to speak to one person out of like, let's say one big audience, then that will help you build your business because as you focus, as you speak, deliver your message, you are building up a brand that connects with a certain audience instead of being somebody that offers just as much as you can to everyone in the world. Crafting that tailored brand message that connects a certain type of person with unique needs, pain points, and aspirations, you'll be able to tap into that audience quicker versus trying to be all things to all people. Brand messaging. Craft a clear, concise message that resonates with your audience. Highlight your unique value proposition. So that right there. I also think about even in sales, they have something called a USP, a unique selling proposition. So when you build a business online, whether you're a big business or a small business, one of the things I think about is the vision. What is your mission? Think about your mission statement. What is that one big thing that is focused on what you want to do online? And with that, you'll have a lot of insights as to what you'll be doing in the future. It's kind of like your North Star. And your North Star will be able to guide you along the way to develop your brand. But you have to be able to craft that clear message of who are you connecting to and what is your big goal? What is that big idea that you're trying to conquer in your business? And that will help resonate with a specific type of audience that you're trying to connect with. Content strategy. Create valuable content that addresses your audience's needs. Share insights, opinions, and solutions. So this is actually very key because there's a lot of different valuable content that you can provide. But if you haven't determined your target audience, if they are amongst this big pool of a lot of different people with different ideas, different goals, aspirations, then it's very hard to actually create a content strategy that revolves around your audience's needs. Because if it's too broad, then you'll be trying to appeal to too many people. And if you do that, it's not going to have enough focus. So probably one of the easiest ways to deal with this is going back to target audience and your brand message is to think about who is that one person that you want to help out. And as you create content over time, you'll realize whether or not if you've drifted, are you really focused on helping that one person or are you trying to help thousands of people or a handful of people? If they all are not all in that idea, that persona of one person, then you might be going too broad. I'd say starting out, it's best to just focus on one persona because you could eventually tap into multiple, like let's say beyond one, maybe two or three. But I would say if you're just getting started and you have not created much content, just focus on that one persona. And what I mean by that one persona is, again, think about what I mentioned above is like, think about one person with specific needs, pain points, and aspirations, and think about just one single person. And one of the easiest ways to do that is just think about one person, even name that person. It could be a hypothetical person or a person that you know, and just pretend like you are crafting a message just for that one person. So all your marketing content, whether it's articles, emails, videos, in your mind, imagine that you're speaking to that one person. That will help you with your content strategy. Online presence. Build a consistent online presence across social media platforms. Engage with your audience and build connections. So with the content strategy, there are a lot of push strategies where you're just pumping out content. And that could be on social media. It could be on a blog. It could be in article websites. It could be on YouTube. Thing is, those are just push strategies. So what you want to do is be able to be social, be able to build up that interaction. And one of the easiest ways to do that is to socialize. And that could be social media. Even on YouTube, you have the ability to connect with your audience. You have communities. You have the ability to comment, reply to people. The main thing here is to engage with your audience and build connections over time. And of course, as you build your business, you'll want to monetize it. The whole idea here is what can you do to generate income online? And one of the easiest ways to do this, besides just selling your own products and services, if you're just getting started, the easiest way for me is to use affiliate marketing. And this is where you're promoting other people's products, and it's just easier to build a business this way. In fact, if you are building a business with affiliate marketing, with some programs, you could easily get started in the next 15, 30 minutes and start building a business from there if you are very aggressive. It might take people, even beyond that, whether it's 1 hour or 2 hours, it's still very quick to create an affiliate marketing business. And that is relative to, like, let's say a traditional business that can take several months or even over a year. Had a friend that built up a restaurant here in Silicon Valley and ended up having to get permits and building up his traditional business. And then it just took many months, I think over a year, to get all of the things needed in order to open up his business. So building up an affiliate business online, again, it could be built, I should say, started in as little as 15 to 30 minutes. Monitor and adapt. So as you build your business, what you want to do is look at how your audience replies, and you can also look at your analytics. When you're looking at the responses from people, of course, take everything that you get, especially from your audience, as feedback, and what can you do to improve? And the whole idea here is that as you collect more feedback, collect more data, especially through your analytics, you're able to figure out what is helping out your customers or your audience better. But also, you get to see how the algorithm on these platforms are reacting. And that will give you more insight onto what to do next. So, monitor and adapt. That will help you over time. And if you are just getting started online, if you're trying to build up a personal brand, or perhaps you're looking for a way to earn passive income, make sure that you check out my first pinned comment, and that will give you access to a page that contains my free video. That free video is for my passive income framework, and that will help you learn all about how I earn passive income online. So I want to thank you for watching. And this is all about building your personal brand. So now it's time to take action. Just go ahead and start building it. And again, thank you for watching.